Today's video is part of a series of videos where I create all of the different chart types in Excel. For today's video, we're going to be creating Treemaps. So we have this one where we just played around with the data we selected. We also have this one, and yeah, if you want to watch other videos in this series where I create all of the other different chart types in Excel, go ahead and check out the description box below for the links. Alright, let's get started. So I already have my data set open. You can go ahead and download this data set. It's going to be in the description box below. It's going to be a very simple one. So I'm going to select all of this data and I'm going to go over to insert recommended charts, and I'm going to select all charts, come over to Treemap, and we're just going to click on OK, and we have our Treemap. So you can modify this if you want. I'm just going to increase it, and when there's more space, the Treemap will just basically change to adapt to it. So we have three primary categories: food, which is this, we have clothing and electronics. Then within each one we have phones. For electronics we have phones, laptops, accessories. Clothing we have women, men, kids, and for food we have snacks, fruits, and vegetables. So the colors are the categories, the number of boxes or rectangles is the number of subcategories within each category, and then the size of the rectangle is the size of the value. So I'm just going to, I want to add more label options. I'm just going to select that. I also want to add the value so that we can also see the price. So here we have $300 is the largest, so that's why it's the largest rectangle. Next we have laptops, and then we have accessories. Same here, women is the largest of the three, so 250 is larger than this, and then they're also larger than this. Same with snacks, where you have the size of the rectangle depending on the size of the value. That's essentially it. If you want to play around with colors, change colors, formatting, and all of that, you can do that. I'm not going to do that in this video. I've created a lot of videos on format on the different chart types in Excel. You can go ahead and check those, and within those you see how to format Excel charts. Just play around with it and you can change the fill, colors, textures, all of that. Let's move on to the next one. I'm going to select this. Now I just want to demonstrate something. I'm going to select, in our previous table we had 3 columns. In this one we have 4. I'm going to select this data set, insert recommended charts, all charts, and then I'm going to select Treemap, click on OK, and we'll have our second Treemap. So as you can see, this category is basically ignored within this Treemap. So when you're creating Treemaps, just be a bit careful about your data. I'm going to create another one just to, let's say I use just these subcategories and sales. Maybe that's something you would like to create. Recommended charts, all charts. I'm going to use the Treemap, and here there is no category. It's just plotting based on the values, and there's no categories that the Treemap is categorizing them under. So once again, when you're creating your Treemap, that's something you should think about. Let's try the same with this one. Let me move this chart out of the way, and now we have 4 columns. Well, what's going to happen if I do that? Where we have this data, I'm going to select all of this, insert recommended charts. I'm going to select the Treemap. Once again, this is what we have. So it's showing region, subcategory, region, category, and then sales. And these are basically the same thing. So I just wanted to show you that your Treemap may look different, or it may not really make a difference depending on what data you select. Let's create this final one. It has more data in it, so we can have a more interesting looking Treemap. I'm going to insert recommended charts, all charts, Treemap, and then I'm going to insert, this time we have 5 categories, and I'm going to just increase the size of this. So we can see we have e-commerce, healthcare, finance, education, and entertainment. And we can see under e-commerce we have this product line. So this department is ignored, but product line is what we have here. So I could just increase it to yeah, we can have everything here. So this is a Treemap with 5 categories. Anyway, that is it for the Treemap tutorial. If you want to watch the other videos in this series where I create the other chart types in Excel, you can go ahead and check the description box below, or you could click on the playlist on screen right now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.